What's signing Facebookers, YouTubers, or whatever y'all want to call it? Dominoes 7 here. Yes, indeed. Yes, indeed. Yes, sironi. Yes, a blah. I had fun by Thaddeus' house. If y'all watched the YouTube live, I mean, not YouTube live, the other Facebook live, I can't do no YouTube live at this point right now, you know, un- until I get more subscribers or whatnot. I don't know why the hell they cut that short. Talking about I need the most subscribers or whatnot. Oh well, the hell with it. All right. So, all right, I had lots of fun over there by Thaddeus. You know, I could have done my recording upstairs, but I ain't feel like going upstairs right now until further notice. So, yes, this is so good. I mean, I enjoyed myself. If y'all watched the Facebook Live, but I gotta upload it to YouTube too. I haven't uploaded the one with Nancy Parker funeral. You know. Mm-hmm. Oh, you smarter than a fifth grader. Well, I never watched it with Jeff Foxworthy. You know, it was in syndication. All right, all right. So all right, I'm watching TV right now. All right, let's see. SpongeBob, get ready to come on. Rocco's Modern Life. Rocco's Modern Life. All right. Okay, so as I was telling y'all folks, have fun about that. So I mean, I don't know when I be back over there. Uh, I mean, my first time walking in the East on foot on what's the name of that street? Oh, on Haynes. I'm gonna upload all that on YouTube. You know, if this video is already on YouTube, y'all. I'm laughing because some about to come on. you know, excuse my language because I don't know what the car said because technically they don't allow cursing on Nickelodeon. Sound like you say SOB. I mean, all right. Mm-hmm. Yep. All right. What's so funny? Mm-hmm. Well, the best thing about what I'm looking at, I'm glad this girl I never met is back on Facebook after a couple of years. She haven't done a Facebook live yet. Well, if I upload this video to YouTube, I'm gonna definitely keep this Facebook live video. Okay, that ain't going nowhere. Once it's on Facebook, stay on Facebook, and I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Oh, I'm gonna put it on YouTube. All right. But I'm not gonna mention this girl name on my show because I don't know who she is though. The only way I mention her name is if it's her birthday. Okay. But I will mention this lady name. Well, I'm not gonna say which reality show she was on, so I'm not gonna say it. But all I'm gonna say is Heather Crawford. Okay, congratulations on a bundle of joy. Okay, I wish I could have been at a baby shower, but unfortunately, I live here in New Orleans, Louisiana. Okay, not gonna say the zip code though. That's too personal. Okay. Well, she's married Heather Harris, Mrs. So congrats on her wedding a couple of years ago, or was it last year or something like that, or a year before last that she got married, you know. So I must say though, I really enjoy it on TV though. But I'm not gonna mention the if she don't want me to mention the name of the show. If she don't want me to mention what happened, I'm not gonna mention it on national TV. You know, I ain't gonna mention it on national TV or national internet. You know, cause I don't know what y'all watching me on. You know, I don't know if y'all watching me on YouTube or World Star Hip Hop or Daily Motion, Vimeo or something like that. You know, I don't know. Well, I don't get on Vimeo no more. I'm trying to go back to 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 Daily Motion. You know, did Daily Motion not letting me upload much. You know, cause technically I like Daily Motion. You know, as well as I like YouTube. You know, I don't like Vimeo. You know. All right, I tried Vimeo. Vimeo didn't work out. You know. All right, but I want to do videos on Dailymotion too so bad, you know. I mean, I love Dailymotion as well as I love YouTube, you know. I mean, YouTube is my first favorite. Dailymotion is my second favorite, you know. For some of y'all that never heard of Dailymotion, that's another video sharing website like YouTube. The same year, YouTube been out about 3 or 4 months be, before Dailymotion. You know, YouTube and Dailymotion was new the same year. You know, I mean, Dailymotion is an awesome video sharing website, but some people say be careful on that. You know, I mean, Dailymotion is good just as well as YouTube. You know, mm-hmm. Cause I want. I really want to go back to Dailymotion too, you know, because I love Dailymotion as well as I love YouTube, you know. Hmm. Sanjay Craig, I hate that. Yep. Oh no. All right, folks. So I was saying, folks, have fun by my people's house. Love it, you know. Yeah. All right. So that's all Domino 7 got to say. Okay. Thank y'all for watching this Facebook Live. If all that, y'all should look at my videos on YouTube. Don't just watch me on Facebook. Watch me on YouTube, okay? Not just no Facebook. Watch me on YouTube, okay? All right, bye.